Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle, or TCA cycle, is a chain of reactions occurring in the mitochondria, through which almost all living cells produce energy in aerobic respiration. It uses oxygen and gives out water and carbon dioxide as products. Here, ADP is converted into ATP. It is called amphibolic, as in the Krebs cycle, both catabolism and anabolism take place. This cycle renders electrons and hydrogen required for electron chain transport. Let's see the steps. Step 1. The first step is the condensation of acetyl-CoA with 4-carbon compound oxaloacetate to form 6-C-citrate. Coenzyme A is released. The reaction is catalyzed by citrate synthase. Step 2. Citrate is converted to its isomer, isocitrate. The enzyme aconitase catalyzes this reaction. Step 3. Isocitrate undergoes dehydrogenation and decarboxylation to form 5-carbon alpha ketoglutarate. A molecular form of CO2 is released. Isocitrate dehydrogenase catalyzes the reaction. It is an NAD+ dependent enzyme. NAD+ is converted to NADH. Step 4. Gamma-ketoglutarate undergoes oxidative decarboxylation to form Succinyl-CoA, a 4C compound. The reaction is catalyzed by the gamma-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme complex. 1 molecule of CO2 is released, and NAD+ is converted to NADH. Step 5. Succinyl-CoA forms succinate. The enzyme Acetyl-CoA synthetase catalyzes the reaction. This is coupled with substrate-level phosphorylation of GDP to get GTP. GTP transfers its phosphate to ADP, forming ATP. Step 6. Succinate is oxidized by the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase to fumarate. In the process, FAD is converted to FADH₂. Step 7. Fumarate gets converted to malate by the addition of 1H2O. The enzyme catalyzing this reaction is fumarase. Step 8. Malate is dehydrogenated to form oxaloacetate, which combines with another molecule of acetyl-CoA and starts the new cycle. Hydrogens removed get transferred to NAD+ forming NADH. Malate dehydrogenase catalyzes the reaction. The products of the Krebs cycle for each glucose molecule are 6 NADH molecules, 2 FADH₂ molecules, 4 CO2 molecules, 2 ATP molecules. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.